everyone! I hope you're having a wonderful day, no matter your situation or where you are. Today I just wanted to create a video to show you things that I did like the night before a dinner party, because the day of can be so hectic. I think it's a wonderful idea to just get the things done that you can get done. For me, this was like a lot of prepping food, but also some other prep that I had to do. So please follow me. Okay, so first I prepped my red pepper, I roasted it, and then I chopped up my onion, and then I roasted my garlic along with my pepper, and then I made some mango puree. I didn't take a really good video for this, but because I was making a roasted red pepper sauce, I roasted them at like 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Then I made my mango puree, which was so simple. I just put 2 mangoes into the blender for about 2 minutes with a little bit of water and a little bit of honey. In between this, I also chopped my onion, but I didn't think it was worth putting on camera. Okay, then I made my list of the things that I had to do the day of. This is so important. I included music, some games, because I was doing a Disney theme party. Comment if you want to see like that whole event. And then I added having the salad course together. I realized I had some extra time, so I actually took out my games early, which allowed me to free up some space to have a nap the day of the event, which was really helpful, and it helped me relax. Of course, every event is going to look a little bit different, but this was just a video of what I personally did, so you can learn some tips and what you can do. Have a wonderful day. Bye!